If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these very plain baby loafer shoes into these lovely freestyle junky bling shoes that are a cute baby shower gift, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be adding some really cute chunky rhinestones, a couple planners, and these other things. They're pretty much called cabochons, or you could search them up on Amazon. They're called slime charms. And I'm going to be doing a freestyle junky type of look. I'm going to be using some E6000 glue. These cute little white shoes came from Hobby Lobby. I can't remember how much they cost, but they're literally no more than about $4.99, maybe $7.99, something like that. And they have cute plain things that you can use to practice on. They have fake little Crocs, things like that. So when I saw these last summer, I was like, these are nice. I could probably paint them. I just thought it was so much I could do with them. Then I forgot I had them, didn't do anything with them. And then I was invited to a baby shower. So I was like, okay, this is perfect. So I'm using E6000 glue. Now, I did test out some non-toxic glue by Aleene's Fabric Fusion. And what I tried to put on it, I let it stay for about 3 days. It was a really big bow I had. It didn't stay. It didn't work for me. I think Aleene's works, fabric glue works a little bit better when the fabric is more like a sweatery material, maybe a sock material. This canvas is more so on the dry, harder material. So E6000 was just the best choice. So what you're basically seeing me do is just add different rhinestones. I'm going to add some pearls. I'm using my wax pickup tool. And I'm just going to kind of just add different things, kind of match them up a little bit, but not really. But the way everything kind of comes together is still really cute. So these are a size 5'6", which is probably for a 3-year-old. So I'll probably end up going back getting a smaller size so that when she has her baby girl, she can wear them this summer. I think Melody, baby Melody is due. Well, I know she has 8 more weeks of pregnancy. So what is that? Maybe she's coming in February, early March. So I gave these to my cousin already. This is the same person that I made the baby onesies for. My previous video was of some onesies that I did. She absolutely loved these shoes so much. She loved them so much, she said she can't wait to put her daughter in them. She's ready to have her baby because she has all the cuteness that she needs. So I do have planner kits available on my website that come with the chunky bling. So if you're interested in that look, or some planners with some nice chunky bling. I also have a chunky kit with some clear rhinestones, and I'm adding another bling kit to my website as well, myroyalradiance.com. So you can definitely check that out if you're interested. But chunky bling is cute, especially if you're going to use the big bling and then also fill in the smaller spaces with the smaller bling. I just like a big rhinestone paired with smaller rhinestones. And they just look so pretty. And then if you had a question how much would I charge for something like this? This was actually a gift, so I didn't charge. If I did charge, this shoe is so little. And you see, I just did the front. So this is basically like a loafer. And I'm just doing the front area. You're absolutely welcome to do the back or junk the whole shoe out. I just felt like it was so much going on in the front. That's just all I wanted to do. But, you get ideas, hopefully, from these videos, and you just add your own twist, so it's to your liking. But I would say I would charge, so if the shoe was $5, I think a decent fair price for this would be no more than $30. But it's definitely up to the person doing them. So that way you'll get your $5 or $7 back, plus tax. And then however much you spent on your decor. Now me, I have things, rhinestones, pearls, and stuff that I've had sitting around for years. And I just buy stuff frequently to either put on my website or just because I want it. So I have things. Now, if you have to go out and buy things and buy glue, and if it's going to take you a very long time, you have to consider those type of things when you're trying to set a price. But yeah, this is really fun and cute. Like, everybody was looking at these when she pulled them out the bag. I feel like when it comes to baby shower gifts, it's just so much more fun when it's a girl. I have to get a little bit more creative when it comes to what I can make for a boy. I can make cute stuff for boys, but I'm so girly that I can't get like super girly with boy stuff, if that makes sense. But there's still really cute things that you can make for boys as well. It's just kind of, I don't know. But this was like really fun. And I'm almost finished, and then I'll show you some different angles of them in just a moment. Now, this is a busy, extra junky look. This is a lot going on. This is a lot. But that's the look I was going for. But you can most definitely bling these out and just go all clear, all pink rhinestones. You could do all pearls. You don't have to have all the big pieces and the bears and all that or whatnot. That's the cool thing about these. You can do, oh, you know what? Probably could even just Mod Podge them up and glitter them and seal the glitter. I mean, there's just a lot that could be done with these. Oh, you know what? If you have like a cutter, you can cut up some vinyl, maybe put the baby's initials on them. Oh, another cute thing you can do if you have patches, you can glue on some patches. So get over to Hobby Lobby and get you some of these shoes. This is not a sponsored video, but I would definitely like one in the future if that was to happen. But again, these shoes were no more than I feel like they were no more than $7. No more than that. And I have to go get another pair because I had an idea about putting some paint on them, like color blocking them or just making them pink. But yeah, just continue to watch me add the rhinestones on, and then also let them cure at least 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours before wearing. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these cute little baby shoes that I made for my cousin. Baby Melody is on her way, so I just wanted to throw some bling on these shoes, some cute little cabochons, some planners. I got pearls, chunky bling. It's a lot going on, but these shoes are super cute. So adorable. I absolutely love these, you guys. So I hope that you did enjoy this video. I hope it gave you like some cute ideas of what you can do as a baby shower gift, because you heard what I said. $5.99. No more than $8 for these shoes. You know shoes be kind of expensive, because I remember some years ago I would do like a Converse shoe. Back then, a newborn Converse shoe, when I first started doing them many years ago, probably like 10 years ago now, because I did a pair for my 10-year-old daughter when she was a newborn. Those shoes were about $30. And then I had to buy the rhinestones and bling the bottoms out. So if you could find a shoe that's about $8 and you just put some cute decor on it, that saves a lot of money being able to make your own gifts, because I think when you do it right and you make it look really cute, it makes it look like it costs a lot of money. So, you know, hopefully you guys do this for your little girls, your friends, your goddaughters, your grandbabies, your nieces, whoever, and just really get real cute with it. Freestyle it. And thanks again for watching this video. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com, and there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury-inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.